In a world where convenience and comfort seem to be the ultimate goals, society is facing an alarming issue: laziness. Today, we will delve into the roots of this problem and explore four main aspects that contribute to this prevailing issue: social media, parenting/predecessors, technology, and automation in modern tech. But fear not, we won't just point out the problems, we'll also present potential solutions to reclaim our lost vigor and enthusiasm. Social media and its impact. The rise of social media has revolutionized communication, but it also has a dark side. It has inadvertently fostered a culture of instant gratification, comparison, and excessive consumption of information. Scrolling endlessly through feeds, we've become passive consumers rather than active participants in life. This constant distraction contributes to the laziness that permeates society. Social media platforms are designed to keep us hooked, triggering dopamine responses in our brains. People often spend hours on social media, neglecting other essential tasks and activities. So how can we restore our society's active engagement? Solution 1. Limit social media usage. Limiting our time on social media is crucial. By setting strict boundaries and allocating dedicated time for using these platforms, we can free ourselves from their addictive grasp. Instead, we can focus on cultivating real connections and pursuing meaningful activities that contribute to personal growth. Parenting, predecessors, and shaping behavior. Our upbringing plays a fundamental role in shaping our behaviors and attitudes. As children observe their parents and predecessors, they learn patterns and habits that may inadvertently lead to a more complacent and lazy mindset. Children learn from the behaviors they see in their parents and caregivers. If they witness laziness or avoidance of responsibility, they are more likely to adopt these habits themselves. To break this cycle, we must adopt more proactive parenting approaches. Solution 2. Stricter parenting and positive reinforcement. Stricter parenting doesn't mean being overly harsh, but rather setting clear expectations, offering positive reinforcement for effort, and encouraging responsibility. When children see the value of hard work and discipline, they are more likely to become proactive and avoid falling into the trap of laziness. Technology's impact on motivation. While technology has undoubtedly improved our lives in many ways, it also has a significant influence on our motivation levels. With information and entertainment at our fingertips, we no longer feel the need to exert ourselves physically or mentally. The convenience offered by technology often results in a lack of motivation to engage in more challenging tasks. People rely on automation and smart devices for even the simplest of tasks, further promoting laziness. So, how do we overcome this overdependence on technology? Solution 3. Embrace effort and physical activity. To counter the impact of technology on our motivation levels, we must consciously embrace effort and prioritize physical activity. Instead of relying on automation and smart devices for even the simplest tasks, we can choose to go the extra mile and engage in manual labor or physical exercise. Going to the gym, participating in sports, or engaging in DIY projects not only invigorates our bodies but also strengthens our determination and work ethic. By challenging ourselves physically, we can rekindle the sense of accomplishment that comes from pushing our limits. Cultivating a stoic mindset and the eagerness to learn. In a society that craves comfort and instant gratification, developing a stoic mindset can help us overcome laziness. By embracing stoic principles such as resilience, self-discipline, and a focus on personal growth, we can reorient ourselves towards more meaningful pursuits. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what is within our control and accept discomfort as part of the journey. By practicing Stoicism, we can develop a sense of purpose and drive that transcends the allure of laziness. But how can we cultivate this stoic mindset in our daily lives? Solution 4. Cultivate a curiosity for learning and new skills. To counter laziness, we must develop an insatiable curiosity for learning and acquiring new skills. Instead of settling for mediocrity, we can challenge ourselves to explore diverse subjects, engage in lifelong learning, and discover new talents. By embracing continuous growth and expanding our knowledge base, we unlock a world of possibilities. This eagerness to learn not only keeps us engaged and motivated, but also fuels our personal development. Restoring a lazy society requires collective effort and a shift in mindset. By addressing the impact of social media, nurturing proactive parenting approaches, embracing effort and physical activity, and cultivating a stoic mindset with an eagerness to learn, we can reclaim our society's vigor and rediscover the joy of active participation in life. It's time to break free from the shackles of laziness and embark on a journey of personal growth and fulfillment. Together, let's restore the vitality of our society.